How's it going, Geometry Cats? Today we're looking at 11.2 surface areas of prisms and cylinders. Here's a picture of a prism. A prism is a base connected to another base. Okay, so a prism would be something that if you look at one end, it's the same as the other end. Okay. Here's a pentagonal prism, because you have a pentagon and a congruent pentagon at the bottom. Your bases are congruent figures, okay? Your lateral edges then are going to be the edges that connect your two bases. Your lateral faces are always going to be rectangles. And they're always going to be rectangles that connect your two bases, okay? Anything too scary? Laterals can be on the side between your two bases. Got it? You have two types of prisms. You have right prisms and oblique prisms. Well, oblique prisms are slanted. Right prisms are not slanted. Okay? Okay. Now I'm looking for the surface area. So if I was wrapping a present, the amount of wrapping paper I need to cover that present, right? So there's two things we're going to talk about. One is the lateral area. The lateral area is if I take all those rectangles and I add them up. Like I find the surface area, or the area of each one, and I add them all up, it's my lateral area. When I add my two bases to it, that gives me my total surface area. Okay, so my lateral area is the perimeter of my base times my height, because I'm finding the area of all these rectangles at once. Okay? Now, my surface area, now my face is in the way. That's my reminder. My surface area is my lateral area plus 2 times B, where B is the area of my base. So I find the area of the base, times it by 2 because there's 2 of them, add it to my lateral area. Okay? Okay. Okay. Let's find the surface area of this prism. First, we gotta find our LA. It's in California. Okay. Now that's our lateral area. That formula is our perimeter times our height, right? So my perimeter equals 3 plus 4 plus, I don't know, x. So I guess first we have to find that x. We have a right triangle. We're looking for our hypotenuse. So to find that, we're going to do our 3 squared plus 4 squared equals x squared, right? Which is 25 equals x squared. So 5 equals my x. So this side is 5. So my perimeter is 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay? Okay. We use green for height, actually. And my height is the distance between my two bases, which is 6. So my lateral area ends up being 12 times 6, which is 72 centimeters squared. Okay? Now we have to find our bases. Okay? So second, surface area equals LA plus 2 times my B, my bases, right? Well, B equals, we have a right triangle, right? So it's 1/2 my base, which is, you can't see me, I'm pointing at the 3. 1/2 3 times 4, which is 6. Okay? So let's plug this all in. My lateral area was 72 plus 2 times my base, which is 6. Okay, 72 plus 12, which is 84 square centimeters, guys. Lateral area, perimeter times height, add to it 2 times the area of your bases. That's all there is to it. Too close to the camera. Okay. Talk about cylinders. Cylinders are pretty much a prism where your base is a circle. Like a soup can. And when you take the label off a soup can, it's a rectangle, right? You take that label off a soup can, it's a rectangle. So it's kind of our same formulas, guys. It's still our perimeter, but our perimeter is going to be called circumference now because it's a circle. And it's the same thing. My lateral area is equal to 2 pi r(h). 2 pi r is your circumference times your height. So the other side of that is 2 pi r. There's your height. And your surface area is your lateral area plus 2 pi r squared. Because pi r squared is your area of circle, and there's 2 of them, right? So suppose you had a cylinder, height of 9, and radius of 10. What's that surface area? So first, we're going to find our LA. Well, that's equal to 2 pi r h, right? Well, my radius is 10. My height is 9, right? 2 times 10 times 9 is 180 pi centimeters squared. Second, SA equals LA plus 2 times pi r squared. Well, our LA was 180 plus 2 times our pi. Our radius is 10 squared. Okay? So 2 times 100, that's 200. So we get 380 pi centimeters squared. And we're done. That's it. That's all there is to it, guys. Just plug in. All you need to know is a radius and a height. Okay? Last one. You have foam roller. What area does the foam roller cover in one turn? Well, this roller is only going to paint with the lateral area. So what we're looking for is LA. Okay? Because you can't paint with the ends. It's only. Okay? So what you do is you take 2 pi r h, right? 2 times pi. What's your radius? Your diameter is 2.5. So your radius is 1.25. You divide in half. Your height is a 6-arini. By the way, that is a fantastic design for a wall. So 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 1.5 times 5. 12 times 2. 1.25 times 1.59. 47.1 inches squared. That's it. That's all I got.